I'm the Confused Ogre, and today we are painting a curious adventure. Here we go.
Let's paint.
Okay, so today we are painting this explorer, nomad, adventurer, whatever you want to call him. To save a little time, I'm going to do some contrast painting on all of the miscellaneous items on this guy, but for the bulk of the work, the shoes, pants, shirt, and cloak, I'm going to try and experiment and do all the same color palette of brown. This is really my big weakness, is figuring out what colors to paint things. And so, like I said, it's kind of an experiment. For the cloak, we're starting with Rhinox hide, and I'm going to base that out and layer it all the way up to the final highlight of Baneblade brown. Now, my thinking here is that I can pick up where one color leaves off to keep highlighting and lightening up with all the colors. So the cloak was the centerpiece, so I really went with the middle ground here before working my way onto the shirt. So I finished the highlights on the cloak with Baneblade brown and started the shirt with the base layer of Baneblade brown before working my way up to some white highlights on that. Then I got a little black and went back and started the pants really dark, the pants and boots almost black, and working my way up to almost a final highlight with that Rhinox hide. So I hope that makes sense what I tried to do here. Essentially just use these two colors of brown with some black and white to really get the full spectrum there and really try to tie all of his main components together with the same color palette. Then I moved into all the little detail work. I just used some various random colors of browns and tans to contrast paint the pack, the straps, the ropes, his little day pack, and a bucket that he's holding. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty sharp. Just picked some random colors here to go with. Now for the lantern, I tried to spend a little extra time here coming up with a good realistic looking light. I started with a bright yellow, gave it a little orange contrast, and went back and did the same thing a second time. And I think the results turned out pretty sharp there. Finally, I covered the entire model in a generous coat of black Nuln Oil. Now it's really important when you are doing your wash step here that you don't let any puddles form. So I just keep going in circles, and anywhere that the oil is puddling up too much, I wick it away with the brush. Quick coat of Abaddon Black for the edge, and we're finished. Be sure to check out the full video of the diorama build that I made called The Dungeon that stars this adventure that I called Curious George. Until next time, see ya!